In this guide, we'll walk you through how to recover iPhone contacts or SIMs with no iCloud backup using several practical methods, from built-in iPhone tools to advanced third-party software. Part 1. How to restore iPhone messages with no iCloud backup from the recently deleted folder. Starting from iOS 16, Apple introduced a recently deleted folder in the Messages app. This feature keeps deleted messages for up to 30 days, giving users a simple way to restore accidentally deleted texts, even without iCloud backup. If your SMS was deleted recently, this is the first method you should try. Step 1. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Edit in the top left corner or tap Filters depending on your iOS version. Step 3. Choose Show Recently Deleted. Step 4. Browse through the list of deleted conversations. Step 5. Select the messages you want to recover. Step 6. Tap Recover in the bottom right corner. Part 2. How to recover iPhone contacts or SIMs with no iCloud backup from iTunes Backup. If you have ever manually backed up your iPhone on your computer using iTunes or Finder, you can still restore contacts and messages to your device via iTunes. However, this method involves restoring the entire backup, which can overwrite current data. Step 1. Open iTunes on your PC or Finder on macOS Catalina and later. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB. Step 3. Trust the computer on your iPhone if prompted. Step 4. Click your iPhone icon in iTunes or Finder. Step 5. Go to the Summary tab and click Restore Backup. Step 6. Choose a backup that contains your contacts or SIMs. Step 7. Click Restore and wait for the process to finish. Part 3. How to recover contacts or SIMs from iPhone with no iCloud backup via Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery. If you don't have an iCloud backup and don't want to risk data overwriting by restoring through iTunes, the safest option is to use Coolmuster iPhone SMS Plus Contacts Recovery, which allows you to directly scan and recover deleted contacts and messages from your device without a backup. Step 1. After downloading and installing the tool on your computer, run the program and connect your iPhone via USB cable. The program interface will appear as shown below. Select the data types you want to recover and click Start Scan to proceed. The software will quickly detect your device. Step 2. Once the scan is complete, you can preview both deleted and existing files, including contact details like home address, job title, company, and more. On the left panel, choose a category, and on the right, select the specific items. If you enable the Only Display Deleted Items option, the program will only show deleted files. Step 3. Once you've selected everything you want, click Recover to Computer to restore them immediately.